Well, here I have in front of me a lovely soft case for a 1959 Torpedo 18B. And there happens to actually have the typewriter inside it. So, let's check this out. Crazy shimmery cloth. Crazy Torpedo cover, huh? Schnazzy. Got this on a couple of my Torpedoes. And there she sits. Ridiculously gorgeous. And don't you like that? The little strap to hold it in. Oh! It's got an interesting little pad to slot the feet into there. Holds the typewriter in place better than you would think. Well, throw this guy in there too. So it's one heck of a good looking machine, and it's also one heck of a typer. Fresh rubber on the platen from J.J. Short in there. Got a little nick on the paper table there, or deflector, or whatever the hell that is. American keyboard, typed 11 characters per inch, I think. I don't know. Yeah, up to 90 there. I'll show you how. 1959 Torpedo 18B, because it's a B, it's got a tabulator. That's the difference between your 18 and your 18B. Serial number 1073285. The feed rollers are in great shape on this thing. The whole machine is, really. Carriage walk. Right now I've got a purple over orange ribbon in there. It's just getting broke in. I flip-flop back and forth on my ribbons a lot. The quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. Despite my horrible typing, that's really good print. Let's go on the orange setting there. And all caps, why not? Now it's time for all good men to come to the aid of their country. Man, that ribbon just pops on this thing. Nice little card guides. Interesting little markings there for lining your characters up. Don't you love how easy that pops off of there? Beautiful felt inside. Got a little ribbon rub on it. Super clean. Ribbon reverse works well. Tabulator works well. Everything works well on it. I don't know where my tab stops are set. Apparently that's where my tab stops are set, eh? Oh. This is one of the models that has the little metal pyramids on the feet and the chrome on the ends of the carriage. See those little chrome bits right there. And little chrome bits here. There's another version of this. This is the Deluxe version. The other version of this. Actually, the other version of the Deluxe. Maybe it's just a later version of it. I don't know. I think my other one might be a 57. Same paint job, but it's got chrome on the ends of the carriage. Maybe I'll pull that one out for a video sometime too. Anyway, there you go. 1959 Torpedo 18B. One of the finest machines ever made, if you ask me. Oh, and the kitty. Hey, kitty.